back to your channel. I haven't done one of these videos in a really long time, but what do I carry with me every day type of video? I'm gonna change that right now for you, so let's go. When I'm going through my days, there's very few items that I just essentially have to have. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I carry with me every day. I posted a video some months back of a tech pouch that I was using. Really cool tech pouch. If you haven't seen that video, I'll post a link to that video somewhere around here. You guys can watch that video. I recently upgraded to something I consider a little better and a little more compact when it comes to organizing my tech. It's a little more expensive, don't get me wrong, but I think from the aesthetic point of view and the practical use, this is a better scenario for me. This is the Bellroy carry case, tech pouch. Like I said, it's kind of expensive. I can't remember the price right offhand, but I'll put the price somewhere around here. But guys, when I tell you this is the absolute best tech pouch I've had thus far, I can just be completely honest with you. This video isn't sponsored. I'm not being paid by Bellroy to tell you this is a really good tech pouch. Just know, if I said it, she does. So let's get in here and show you guys the stuff I carry with me every day, how it's changed from previous times, and what are the case scenarios I use things for. When you open it up, you present it with something like this, and all my stuff is organized. Right? So let's tell what we got in here. Let's start with the simplest stuff first. This right here is my old hard drive. Only reason I use this hard drive is because my other SSD drive is formatted for Mac. This one is formatted for PC, so I'm in the hospitals and stuff, we gotta transfer files from computer to computer. I carry this one with me. I don't have to keep formatting the files from Mac to PC. This is strictly formatted for PC. I get my files transferred. I also have old YouTube videos on here, old books and stuff on here. I use that for it. Yeah, pretty simple. Keeping with the theme of hardware and storage, this is my Samsung portable SSD T5. That thing's a T7 out right about now. I gotta get my hands on one of those. But guys, you already know about the Samsung portable SSD drives. They're amazing. They look cool, they're compact, they're fast, and they just get the job done. On here, I keep files that I can't live without. I keep movies on here, music on here. Again, files for school work, files for YouTube videos and stuff that I'm working on, projects I'm working on, I keep on here. The good thing about it is that it is USB-C. You haven't seen my new iPad video. My last iPad didn't have USB-C, so I can quickly attach this to there, transfer files back and forth from my iPad to this hard drive, from my hard drive to the MacBook Pro. You know how to get it done. That's that. What else we got in there? We can stay in that same little section right there, which is this little pocket right here. We have, I have another, I bought a brand new one of these somewhere. I think my sister might have stole it. I have a backup, you guys know USB-C and USB-C. You gotta keep those on deck because I lose wires like crazy. I don't know what's wrong, I just lose wires. I try to keep it in here, but sometimes I drop a wire and just won't feel looking for it and then go back look for it. So I'm gonna take it. That's that. Next up. I keep one of these on me right here. What is this? This is a HDMI to USB-C or USB-C to HDMI conversion wire. What do I use this for? Use it for a myriad of reasons. The first reason is simply for entertainment. I just plug in my computer to a television to stream videos that's wired. If it doesn't have AirPlay or something like that, I use it for that. When I'm in school, I use it for, because a lot of setups in the hospitals and in the classrooms don't have AirPlay for like Mac and stuff like that. So I quickly throw this to my MacBook Pro on my iPad. Bam! That's how we do that. Keeping along with that, USB-C tip. This is my Vava. I don't know what that is, guys. I have so many USB-C. Let's take this sticker off. So many USB-C adapters, it's ridiculous. They either crap out on me or they have some type of flaw. You guys remember that one I told you that had the flaw that when I plugged it to my MacBook, it messed up the Wi-Fi card. I couldn't use Wi-Fi with it. yeah, the other one is crapped out. I don't know if it's just because of these wires right here. When you constantly bend them, they get shorts in them. I think that's what happened to this one. So I keep multiple ones on deck. And I don't really use this one. This is a backup when this one fails. But this one has micro SD, regular SD, DC input. It also has USB-C, HDMI. So when I got this, I don't really need the other wire, but I do it because I have multiple monitors set up. So we keep it cracking just like that. This is probably, I keep finding myself always coming back to this thing right here. This is the Magic Mouse 2. I have the other mouse you guys see in the videos, the one that everyone uses. I have the MX Master 2S. Yeah, the MX Master 3 is out. I haven't gotten my hands on that yet. Haven't found a need to because I love this mouse. I've gotten spoiled with this mouse. But I always find myself, especially when I'm traveling, coming back to this mouse right here. The Magic Mouse 2. Why? For one, I can put this in my tech pouch. Duh. Two, the gestures on it, I love the gestures. They have really good gesture control on MX Master 2S and MX Master series line and stuff like that. But I just always think Apple stuff is so much better integrated with their hardware and software because it's first party. So I always find myself coming back to this, and it has a really minimalist design. It's small. I just throw it in my tech pouch, and we keep it going, we keep it cracking, we keep it moving. Guys, if you haven't done so far, do me a huge favor, press the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Let's go. This right here has been a lifesaver. If you guys haven't seen, this is the Ralph Power power bank, Ethernet to Wi-Fi converter, wireless file transfer hub, Ralph Power hub. This thing has been clutch in the last 2 to 3 weeks. So let me tell you what I've been doing. So the hospital has these secure networks, right? These secure networks are a lot faster than the open public Wi-Fi that they have on for everyone to use. So what I do is I use my Ethernet, the Cat5 cable, Ethernet cable. You put Ethernet in here, and you can start your own wireless Wi-Fi signal. So I can use that same speed they have in that secure network. I can make my own public Wi-Fi. I can put a password protector on it. Take that just like that. Of course, you can do file transfer. It's a wireless file transfer. It's also a power bank. I don't use it for the power bank functions. Keep a charger with me, and also have another power bank in my book bag that I keep outside of this. So that's the Ralph Power. Let's keep it cracking. Headphones. I'm really only rocking with 2 headphones right now. You guys know I had the Sonys. I've been reviewing those. Awesome headphones. Awesome headphones. My favorite headphones to date. I haven't got the new Sony headphones, but if you haven't seen that review, also check the video out and tell me what you think. What's your favorite headphones currently right now? I want to get my hands on the Bose headphones and the new Sony headphones. There's some headphones I want to check out, but let's come back. I'm tangential right now. These are my Basin Audio headphones right here. I'm not sure if you guys seen these. I think I put it in the video. Basin, they make in-ear monitors. I love these headphones because for the money, they are awesome. And you'll see a close-up of these headphones also in the video. Sound quality, you have the independent drivers for your high, lows, and mids. The separation is awesome. You also have that physiological sound isolation or sand dampening just because of the in-ear design, so it doesn't have any active noise cancellation. It has that passive noise cancellation. But let me tell you, when you have these on, the music's playing, you don't hear anything. The seal is so good. Of course, if you get the right tips, with most headphones, you can get that isolation, but it's important to get that correct seal with any type of headphones because you get that low, you can really hit that low end. These headphones, I think when I got them like 50 bucks, 50, 60 bucks. Now I've used these religiously. I gotta get the left one replaced for some reason because I got a short in it. I think it's just because this isn't the original cable that came with it. The original cable that came with it was too short for me, so I put a short headphone wire on it, and it worked for a while. But I think I have a shorty. These are the wireless headphones. I get checked out soon. But that's one of my audio solutions. But next, and one of the last things I have in here, of course, you guys know AirPod Pros. Personally, I think this is probably, in my opinion, don't kill me, one of Apple's best products. The AirPod Pros, AirPods in general, aren't the best sounding headphones, aren't the best looking headphones. They don't have the best battery life, but they work, and they work well. Apple, on paper, Apple stuff doesn't look the best. Doesn't have the best benchmarks. However, they are able to integrate their stuff so well that it just beats out everyone else when it comes to the same type of market. And the AirPod Pros do the same thing. For me, it's the convenience of simply taking them in, taking them. Now connected to my audio. Easily switch between devices, easily charge them up, easy to take them out, easy to activate noise cancellation, skip songs, blah, 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 blah. And of course, with new spatial audio that came out, Apple is making these headphones future-proof. They're increasing their performance, they're increasing their case use scenarios, and I'm quite impressed with the AirPod Pros. I showed you guys my AirPod Pros yet on this channel. If you're interested in this case right here, this is a speaking case. I'll post links to everything that was in this video down below in the description. If you're interested in anything, just hit that Amazon link. It is in a affiliate account, so I get very little. I don't get anything from you clicking and buying from the channel. But yeah, guys, the Bellroy, last but not least, this is the case itself. It's a really cool case. I love the design. It's very minimal. It's tough. It's like almost like a semi-hard shell case. It's fabric. Has a lot of compartments inside of it you can put stuff in. I utilize almost every single one of them. A big pocket right there. Two little pockets right here. A very tough zipper. Haven't had any problem with the zipper getting stuck. You have a place you can put your Apple Pencil right here, or your stylus, any stylus you use. I have a lot of Bellroy stuff. Like I said, their stuff is really good. However, there's a price tag that comes along with it. I was looking for something that was sturdy, had a very, very good design, and that was able to organize my stuff and had it looking dope at the same time. Guys, that's everything I carry with me currently. Just leave a comment down below. Tell me what's your favorite tech pouches and what do you carry with you. Essentially, what do you have to carry with you every single day? As usual, T.W.E.B. and we out.